Welcome to Thane, among the fastest growing urban conglomerations in India. An ideal investment option preferred by the discerning investor to create and grow wealth through the preferred asset class, real estate. The road connectivity along with the rail network in the Mumbai metropolitan region makes Thane the center point of the Mumbai metropolitan region. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Airport and the upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport are both a short drive away. Thane is a railway hub with excellent connectivity all over the city. The upcoming metro lines will dovetail with the railway network, providing seamless connectivity across rail lines and growth centers in Thane. Thane is well connected, and future connectivity will also be excellent, with airports and seaport a short drive away. Bullet train, coastal road, tunnel linkages as also the waterways will ensure future connectivity. Stunning architecture and structural stability come together in a real estate development set amidst an environment which offers the verdant greenery of Yeur Hills and the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, as also the azure blue of Thane Creek. Thane has grown in sync with its infrastructure, which makes it ideal as a real estate hub poised for future growth. Thane has witnessed phenomenal growth across various economic parameters, be it high-end residential accommodation, high street retail, multiplexes, shopping malls, workspaces, logistics spaces, including auditoriums, art galleries, entertainment complexes, international schools, healthcare services, and such other developments which translate into one term: real estate. The culturally rich city offers a wide variety of vibrant celebrations which enhance its citizens' lifestyles. Apart from adding to the happiness quotient of the city, MNCs and Indian companies are finding Thane the ideal location, one which is easily accessible to their human resources from all over the Mumbai metropolitan region. Wagle Estate, at one time among Maharashtra's largest industrial estates, has evolved into an IT, ITES and commercial spaces hub. Given the rate of economic and business growth, Thane is all set to evolve into a global city in the near future. Growth prospects of real estate have been positive through the challenging time of the pandemic and is all set to zoom ahead on the path to growth. Thane. It is a safe and secure investment option, one which has delivered positive returns to many investors. So, why shouldn't you be one of them? Come to Thane.